comfortable. Pay attention now. Except that. Here we go. Gypsy Rose is having a snack. Little snack. Power wash it. What now? Things were going so well, too.